Before Henry Ford, building a car was an artisanal craft. Skilled mechanics would gather around a single chassis, bringing all the parts to it, slowly assembling it piece by laborious piece. It took over 12 hours to build just one Model T. Ford knew this wasn't sustainable for his vision of a car for the great multitude. He wanted to slash costs, boost production, and make the automobile accessible to everyone. But how do you build a complex machine faster than anyone thought possible? The answer lay not in faster workers, but in a radical new way of thinking about the entire process. Ford and his team, including innovators like William Cast Iron Charlie Clan and Clarence Avery, drew inspiration from surprising places, like the meatpacking plants of Chicago, where carcasses moved past stationary butchers. This sparked the radical idea. What if the product moved and the workers stayed still? On October 7, 1913, Ford's revolutionary moving assembly line for the Model T flywheel magneto officially began operation. This wasn't just a technical improvement, it was a complete reimagining of industrial production. Each worker had one simple, repetitive task, bringing unprecedented speed and efficiency. The time to build a Model T plummeted from 12 hours to just 93 minutes. The price of the Model T dropped from $850 to $260. And suddenly, the automobile was no longer a luxury for the rich. It was a machine for the masses. This simple chain didn't just build cars, it built the modern world. The moving assembly line was more than just an invention. It was an industrial revolution. It transformed manufacturing, lowered costs, and made products accessible to millions. From automobiles to everyday appliances, the principles pioneered by Henry Ford on that fateful day in 1913 reshaped economies, elevated the working class, and quite literally put the modern world in motion. The Model T wasn't just a car, it was the engine of progress, built on the line that changed everything.